Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th class. How are you, dear 10th class? My dear students, today we will discuss the word problems of the trigonometry. Before starting the word problems of the trigonometry, I would like to introduce about the trigonometry and its application and uses in our daily life, and the reasons why we will study the trigonometry in mathematics. Dear students, as you know that we have discussed it in our class, that trigonometry actually is a combination of three words: tri, gono and metry. Tri means three, gono means sides, and metry means measurements. Trigonometry actually is a study of measurements of the three-sided shape, means triangle, especially right angle triangles. And the application or the uses of this topic in mathematics is that with the help of trigonometry we can easily find the angles and the height of the objects which are very far away for us, which is not possible for us to find the height, means like Eiffel Tower, like any tower, any building. Even we can find the angle of the sun with the object which is on the earth. As you will observe, you will do this practice in our question number 1 also of our today's work. That's why the trigonometry is very important in mathematics. Okay, my dear students. And to solve the word problems, there are some basics which I would like to discuss. First one is that we will discuss about the two angles. First angle is known as the angle of elevation, and second one is called angle of depression. My dear students, elevation means upward, angle of upward like elevator, okay, and depression means the angle which is down. I would like to discuss it in the simpler or the simplest way. That for example, this is the observer eye. This is the observer eye. Okay, this is observer. Whenever the observer look upward, then the angle which make with the eye and the object is known as the angle of elevation. And whenever the observer look downward, then it will make the angle between the observer eye and the object is known as the angle of depression. In Urdu we can say, जब भी ऑब्जर्वर अपनी आंख ऊपर उठाएगा तो उसकी आंख से लेके, उसकी आई से लेके ऑब्जेक्ट जिसको वो देख रहा है उस तक के दरमियान जो एंगल बन रहा होगा, दैट इज नोन एज द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. और जब भी नज़र झुका के नीचे देखेगा, then that angle will be known as the angle of depression. Okay, and in according to this, you will mark the definition from here: angle of elevation and angle of depression, and you will draw these two angles. Okay, one by one, angle of elevation and angle of depression. One thing, and remember one thing, my dear students, that angle of elevation and angle of depression are always equal in measurements. Okay, हमेशा इक्वल होते हैं. ये क्यों होते हैं मैं आपको इंशाल्लाह ताला जब हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तब बताऊंगी. And after that, another basic rule, trigonometric ratios, which we will use in our solution of the word problems. Trigonometric ratios, basic three ratios: sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Dear students, I know that you have remembered, I'm sure that you have remembered these three trigonometric ratios, that sin theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse, means P over H. Cos theta is base over hypotenuse, means B over H. And tan theta is perpendicular over base, means P over B. And you also know that perpendicular and hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to the right angle triangle, and the perpendicular is a side which is opposite to the angle which we are going to discuss, and base is the side of the triangle on which the angle which is under discussion is lie. Okay, dear students, this is the basic of our today's lecture. Now we will start our first question. Question number 1 is that find the angle of elevation of the sun if a 6 feet man cast a 3.5 feet shadow. Dear students, look this one, that this is the magic, that with the help of trigonometry we can easily find out the angle of elevation from the sun. Okay, according to this question, dear students, we will find the angle of elevation of the sun of a man whose height is 6 feet. Means a person whose height is 6 feet. This is a person, for example, and whose height is 6 feet, and he cast a shadow. You know that these are the feet of the person, and the shadow start from the feet. Okay, and the shadow, he cast a shadow of 3.5 feet. Okay, and this is the sun. You know that, and we will find the angle of elevation from the sun. ओके, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन के जब उसका साया जमीन पर जहां पड़ रहा है, दैट व्हाट इज द एंगल ऑन द अर्थ. सन जो है, सूरज हमसे कितना दूर है, देखे बेटा, ठीक है, बहुत दूर है, और हम उसका जमीन पे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की हेल्प से वी कैन फाइंड द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, and it looks like impossible, but you know that mathematics have the solution of everything. So first of all, we will write the given data. According to this, the given data is that we will first of all we will draw the right angle triangle. A person with 6 feet height, and he cast 3.5 feet shadow, and this is the hypotenuse, and we are going to find the angle of elevation. This is a symbol of angle of elevation, theta, from the sun. So according to this side is known as the base, this is known as the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, my dear students, first of all we will name the three vertices, and after that label the diagram. And according to this, we have the given data. Measurement of BC is 6 feet, measurement of AB is 3.5, and we will find the angle theta, angle of elevation. Now remember one thing, this is actually thing. First of all, we will think that we are going to find the theta, and we have two things. Okay, we need one trigonometric ratio, such ratio which help us to find the angle. There are three things. For example, if we will take the sine theta, so sine theta is the perpendicular over hypotenuse, but we don't have the value of hypotenuse, we don't have the value of theta, so it is not possible for us. If we will consider cos theta, which is equals to base by hypotenuse, once again we don't know the value of hypotenuse, we don't know about the theta, so it is very difficult. So we have another ratio which is known as a tan theta, and tan theta is the perpendicular over base. If we will put the value of tan theta like 6 by 3.5, you know that we can solve this. 6 by 3.5, first of all we will divide 6 by 3.5, we will get answer 1.714. But remember one thing, we will find angle theta. So what we will do? We will take the inverse of the tan on both sides. Like you take the log and antilog in our class 9th. Like this, we will take the inverse, and it will be written as theta is equals to tan inverse of 1.714. How we can find the tan inverse? Now look at the calculator. This is your calculator on. We can on this, and you know that this is the value of tan, and here you can see that in yellow color it is written tan inverse. So first we will put the button shift and then tan. You can observe that tan inverse. Now we will write value of 1.714. Okay, tan inverse like this, tan inverse 1.714. When we will press the equal button, then we will get the value 59.73 or round off 59.74 angle. Since this is angle, so its unit is degree.